am currently at CVS and I'm ready to share some deals with you. It is a little bit of a slower week, but that is okay. There is some pretty okay deals that I'm excited for. But let's just go inside and see what we got. Now, I hardly have any CRTs, like hardly any. I don't know if it's a glitch or what, but sometimes I have to open my phone up, there's nothing there, shut the app off, close the app completely, and then restart it, and then they show up again. But this time I did it like 3 times and I still have nothing, so I don't know, maybe it'll surprise us. I have no idea, but if I don't get enough, that is still okay. I'm still happy with what I have. So let's go inside and have some fun shopping and saving some money. Here we have the Paparazzi. Just listened to that song in my car a second ago. But anyways, these are 2 for $5. You guys would pay $5 for it, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making them just $1 or 50 cents. My daughter is hardcore into nail polish lately, so I'm trying to find another color that she would absolutely love. I'm getting her this purple one, and then we're gonna see what other color she would like. If you need some liquid hand soap, my store has his on clearance, you guys, for 29 cents. So here we have the Degree Advance for $7.29, along with the women's for $7.29. They are buy one get one 50% off. We currently have $2.50 off insert coupons that you guys can use. I don't have any other ones. I have a 3 off of 15 deodorant, but you would end up paying $7.93 for 2 of them. But when you buy the 2, you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $2.93 or $1.46. Now you could do this one. I don't think you can use the coupon for it, but you end up just paying $8.68, and you'll get that $5 extra care buck, making it $3.68. So it depends on what you want to do, but I'm going to get more of the Degree because I love that product. So here we have the L'Oreal Elvive 2 for $8. We currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $4, but here you get a $2 extra care buck back, making them $2 or just $1 each. So here we have the Tresemme for $8.99, $7.29 at buy one get one 50% off. So I'm gonna get one that's for $8.99 and I'm gonna get one that is $7.29. I currently have a 4 off of 2 insert coupon that I'm gonna use, and then I also have a 3 off of 2 CRT that I will be using. I will pay just $5.63, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back when you buy the 2, making them just $3.63. So not the greatest deal, but I still think it's a pretty decent deal. Here we have the Love Beauty and Planet for $9.29. We're going to use 2 of the buy one get one free coupons that we got from our inserts today. I don't have any other CRTs, but I do have an 8 off of 30 that I got emailed to me, so I'm going to end up using that for this deal anyways. So these come out to be, with that coupon, you'll pay $18.58, but then you get a $10 extra care buck back, making it $8.58 or $2.14 each, which is an okay deal, but just wanted to share with you on that. And then here we have the Garnier Fructis 2 for $7. Now we are going to use a 3 off of 2 insert coupon where you will end up paying $4, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these just $1 each. So here's the deal we can do. We can do the toothbrushes for $4.49, and we currently have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys will clip to your card. And then you can also get one of the mouthwashes for $4.99 or $4.49 and clip the $1 off digital coupon to your card. You'll pay $6.98, but then you get that $5 extra care buck back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. Or you can do this deal that I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of the toothbrushes, one of the mouthwashes, and then I'm going to get 3 of the $3.99 toothpaste. And then I currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and then I also have a $1 off digital coupon. So all 5 of those items I will pay $11.95. But then I have a 3 off of 18 CRT that I meant to say beforehand, but then I'll pay $11.98. But then I get $4 back when I buy 3 of the Colgate toothpaste, and I'll get $5 back when I buy 2 of the mouthwash and toothbrushes, making them $2.95 or just 59 cents each. So here we have the Crest toothpaste for $3.99. I'm gonna actually get the sensitive because my in-laws like to use that. But I currently have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon, and then I also have a 4 off of 12 CRT that I'm going to use. I will end up paying $5.96, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back when you buy 3 of the products, but we're gonna buy 4 of them. That comes out to be just 96 cents or 24 cents each, which I still think is a pretty decent deal. Here's a better deal that I'm going to do. So we have the Crest toothpaste for $3.99. I'm gonna get 3 of those. And then I'm going to get one of the scopes for $4.99. Now I currently have a 4 off of 12 CRT and I have a 6 off of 4 CRT. I will pay $6.46 for those 4 items, but then you get $2 back when you get one of the scopes, and you get $5 back when you buy 3 of the Crest. So that comes out to be $7. So this ends up becoming a 54-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Kotex liners for $1.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You'd pay $2.98, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. If your store has the other packaging, which they are sold out of, this ends up becoming a little bit cheaper, but still 98 cents for 2 of these is a great deal. So here we have the CoverGirl mascara. You can do the mascara, you can do the eyeshadow, and then we also have the brow pencils for $6.99. You want to use 2 of the $3 off CoverGirl inserts that we just got today. And then I also have a $3 off CRT that I will be using. Pay $4.98, but then you get a $5 extra care buck when you buy 2. If I did buy the 3 of them, it'll be like 33 cents each. So I'm just buying the 2 because it comes out to be for free. Hey everybody! So I'm actually happy with everything that I got at CVS. Like, everything turned out perfectly. All my coupons scanned, everything turned out perfectly. And I actually got a lot of items this time. Usually, like, I hardly get anything, but I'm happy with everything that I got. So let's just dig in. So I ended up doing the Colgate deal. So I got one of the Colgate mouthwashes for $4.49, and I got one of the Colgate toothbrushes for $4.49. I used 2 $1 off insert digital coupons. I had a I got these for $3.99, and then there was a 3 off a 2 digital coupon and a $1 off digital coupon. So I ended up using that. I also had a 3 off of 18 CRT. So I paid $11.95 for 3 tubes of toothpaste, 1 mouthwash, 1 toothbrush. You got $5 back when you purchased the mouthwash and toothpaste, and then you got $4 back when you got the 3 of these, making them just $2.95 or 59 cents each, which I think is a pretty great deal. So I ended up getting that. And then I got the paparazzi. These were 2 for $5, and you get a $4 extra care buck back, making these just $1. I thought these would be really cute to have. My daughter's really into nail polish lately. She's 3, going on 13, so you gotta go with that. The next deal I got was the Crest toothpaste. Now these were $3.99, and I got 3 of them. And then I had a 6 off of 4, so I decided to get the Crest mouthwash for $4.49. I used that 6 off of 4 for 3 and 1. And then I had a 4 off of 12 CRT, so I paid $6.46 for all 4 items. But then you get $5 back when you buy 3 of the Crest, and you get $2 back when you buy 1 of the scope. These come out to be a 54-cent moneymaker, which I am pretty excited for that deal. I also got the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7. I used that 3 off a 2 insert coupon. Paid $4 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these just $2 or $1 each. And then I also got the Kotex liners. These were $1.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. Did I not write this down? I forgot to write the price down, but you pay like, it ends up becoming like 40 something cents for this. So yes, sometimes I just do the math like right when I'm just sitting there. There's a guy parked right next to me just staring at me. Just pulled in, didn't even get out of his car, and he's just sitting there staring at me. It's like, dude, you can get out now. I'm not gonna go anywhere. But yeah, so I also got 3 of the Safeguard soap that everybody's going crazy for. I got the Tresemme. I got this one for $7.29, and I have another Tresemme in here. And this was $8.99. I had a 4 off of 2 insert coupon, and then I had a 3 off of 12 CRT, making them $5.63, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making it $3.63. So not the greatest deal, but hey, I'll take it. I got the CoverGirl mascara for $6.99. I used 2 $3 off insert coupons. I had a $3 off Redbox coupon, making it $4.98, but then you get $5 back. This came out to be absolutely for free. I got the L'Oreal Elvive. These were 2 for $8. I had a 4 off of 2 insert coupon. Did I not write this down? Really? I just sometimes just do the deals without even writing it down. But these were 2 for $8. I had that 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and then you get a $2 back extra care buck, making these just $2 or $1 each. I really like the Elvive. I like this colored one, but I have yet to try the curls. It's in my pile of stuff to try, but we got that one. And then I also did the Beauty and Planet, Love Beauty and Planet. These were $9.29. I bought 4 of them, and I used 2 of those buy one, get one free coupons. Paid $18.58 for 4 of them, but then you get a $10 extra care buck back, making it $8.58 or $2.14 each. And then I did the Degree deodorant. These were $7.29 at buy one, get one 50% off. I used 2 $1.50 off coupons. You would pay $7.93, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $2.93 or just $1.46 each. And I actually really like this. It's Sexy Intrigue. I've been using this stuff instead of the gel, and I actually been very happy with what I got. So yeah, so that was everything that I got, you guys. That's crazy. So my total came to $12.88. I ended up using $40 worth of extra care bucks. I did have to roll some. I only started off with 18. I barely have anything. Sorry, you guys, I keep sneezing. But yeah, I started off with 18 and I just had to roll some. So I ended up using $40, but I did receive $48 back total. So my grand total came to be $4.88. I got 30 items at just 16 cents each. I am pretty happy with my haul. I finally got some like good stuff. Usually I just been getting things here and there, but everything went smoothly. I was in there for less than an hour, which is a miracle. One of my favorite cashiers is leaving, so it sucks for that too. But anyways, I had a very successful day at CVS. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.